How's it going, everybody? Today we'll show you how to work out this sum. Let's jump in. First, you can write it like this, without the sum notation. If you simplify each term, you get this. But it's neither arithmetic or geometric. There's no common difference or common ratio between each term. Time for a different approach. You can keep the first term as 2. Then, see how you can split each fraction into 2 terms? Then you can write all the terms with the powers of 3 as a sum, and the same with the powers of 4. Here, you can see 2 infinite converging geometric series. To find the sum of these, you use sum equals the first term over 1 take the common ratio. The first brackets has a first term of 3/5 and a common ratio of 3/5, since each term is just getting multiplied by 3 on 5. The second brackets has a first term of 4/5 and a common ratio of 4/5. Finding the sum gives you this, which is this, which is 15 on 2. Done. What a nice question for problem solving. If you like this one, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more fun problems and strategies like this one.